This question 7 takes a bit of thinking. What you've got to imagine is there's a point in the middle here. We're going to call it H because we've used all the other letters. And H, or the journey O to H, we're being told that it's halfway the journey from O to F. But we actually need to prove that it's a half that way. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to call it some value of the journey from O to F. And I'm hoping that that's going to turn out to be a half. And we've got another journey as well, that from A to H, so from this point here to this new point in the middle, and that we're hoping is going to be half the journey from A to G. But we don't know yet. And so we're going to call that some fraction of the journey as well. And we're going to put that in there. What we're going to do now is we're going to go on the journey from O to H in two different ways. First of all, this way here, that from O to H is simply P lots of the journey O to F. Now, how do you get from O to F? Well, you go on a big long journey, O to A to D along the bottom, and then up the side, D to F. And that's just P lots of A plus B plus C. But the other way of doing this journey, using this part here, is going from O to H is the journey first of all go from O to A, and then go on the journey we've got here, this A to H one. So that's A, and this is some fraction of the journey A to G. Now A to G, again, A to G is A to D, D to F, and now that's backwards, that one there, so that is B plus C minus A. We've got that there. Now, I'm just saying this journey and this journey are exactly the same. So let's look how many B's we've got here. How many B's there are is P. And how many B's have we got here? Well, that's Q. So the first thing I can see there, that P equals Q. And of course that works for the C's as well. But now let's look at the A's. How many A's have we got here? That's P. And how many A's have we got here? That's 1 minus Q. And so if P is 1 minus Q, and we've already decided that P and Q are the same, add P to both sides, and we can find out that P is equal to a half. If P is equal to a half, then a Q is equal to a half as well, and we found what we were trying to find out, that they do indeed bisect.